Okay, so grade fives, this is a review for those of you who need a little bit of a refresher from over the summer and from grade 4. We're going to talk about rounding to the nearest 10. So when you round to the nearest 10, you're actually going to underline the 10 because that's what you're rounding to, and you're going to draw an arrow to the next door number. So in this case, we're drawing an arrow to the ones because that's the one next door, that's the one to the right. You're always drawing the arrow to the right. And in this case, the number is higher than 5. So if it's higher than 5, the number goes up. If it's 4 or below, it stays the same. So in this case, our number is higher than 5, which means that the 5 is going to go up. So it is becoming a 6. And the next number to it, we've got one more number right beside it, which is in the ones place, and the next number to it is going to become a 0. So everything after it becomes a 0. So we'll try another one. So if we had 62, and we're rounding to the tens place, we're going to underline the tens place, which is the 6, draw an arrow to the ones. That number is below 4. So the 6 is going to stay the same. So it's going to stay as a 6, and then the next number that's right beside it is going to stay, or is going to turn into a 0, excuse me. Now what if we have a bigger number and we're still rounding to the tens place? So we're still rounding to the tens place, but we've got a bigger number. So we're at 137. So you're going to underline the tens place, like we've already talked about. Draw an arrow to the ones place, not the hundreds place. We look at that number, it's higher than 5, which means the one we've underlined is going to change. It's going to go up. Well, this one doesn't change. We haven't highlighted it, we haven't underlined it, it's the same. So we're going to put it right down. This one we already said it's higher than 5. It's pointing to a number that is higher than 5. So the 3 is going to go up, it's going to become a 4. And whatever we've drawn the arrow to becomes a 0.